You'll love gravy for Thanksgiving, right? On the turkey, on the dressing, on the mashed potatoes. Everybody loves gravy. Often it's the very last thing that is made because you're using those drippings from the turkey pan, right? Have you ever noticed that sometimes it doesn't make a lot of gravy and you're like, okay, everybody kind of skimp on the gravy? Well, this is your backup gravy. So once you make that gravy and once it's gone, this is the one you bring to the table second because by then everyone is like, cool, whatever, it's just gravy. And it all is made out of the pantry. Here's what you need to do this. You need 2 beef bouillon cubes. Put them in a little bag. And you want to give them a little whack like this, right? Put this over here. You're going to smash those up. So give them a little hand. Put them in your bowl here. And then let's spice it up just a little bit. It's Thanksgiving. So a 1/4 teaspoon of sage, 1/4 teaspoon of thyme, 1/4 teaspoon of powdered onion, and I do 1/8 teaspoon of white pepper in this, about a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, 2 1/4 cup of water, and then you just stir it all together like this. You also need 4 tablespoons of butter and 4 tablespoons of flour. So this is a 1/2 stick of butter. Get our butter melted here. And you just want to add a little bit of your flour at a time. 4 tablespoons of flour. Making that basic roux there. I'm just going to stir it continually. I'm going to add a little bit of my mixture here of all of these spices. That thyme, that sage really works for this gravy because it adds that Thanksgiving feeling to it. I pour it all in because it's all of the spices in there that we want. You can take some turkey pieces, from the turkey, throw it in this. And as this sits and starts to bubble, it will thicken up just a little bit again. So this gravy is just about ready. You don't need to stress over this. This way you have plenty of gravy for everybody. Just pour it in the bowl. All right, let's put a little pepper in this. Give it a taste. It's already got quite a bit of salt in it because you've got that bouillon, so that's already in there. If you want, you could put just a pinch of salt at the end, and that's all you'd need to do. But this is that pantry gravy that helps you make it through the rest of the Thanksgiving meal so everybody has plenty of gravy. Give this a try. Put this in your pocket because when you make that first batch of gravy from those drippings, you may not have enough for all 12 or 15 people. So this is your backup, and you put a few turkey pieces in that, nobody's going to know the difference. They won't pay any attention, and they'll think it's great. Try it. Hope you enjoy it.